Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're diving into a very useful English word, assign. This word is a B2 level verb that means to give a task or role. It's one of those words that pops up a lot in both professional and casual settings, so let's explore it together. When you assign something, you're giving someone a specific responsibility or task. For example, a manager might assign a project to an employee, or a teacher might assign homework to their students. It's all about giving out roles or tasks for others to handle. Let's talk about some synonyms for assign. A few words you can use in a similar way are allocate, designate, and delegate. For example, instead of saying, "The teacher will assign homework," you could say, "The teacher will allocate homework to the class." Another example is, "She decided to delegate the responsibility of organizing the event to her team." These words are great alternatives depending on the context. Now, for some antonyms of assign, we can look at words like retain, withhold, or retract. If someone chooses not to assign a task, they might retain it for themselves. For example, the manager decided to retain control over the budget rather than assign it to someone else. Or, she chose to withhold the assignment until the team was ready. In everyday life, you might hear assign in a variety of situations. At work, your boss might say, "I'm going to assign you to the new marketing campaign." At school, you might hear, "The teacher has assigned a group project to help us learn teamwork." Even at home, someone might say, "I'll assign the task of washing the dishes to you tonight." Here are a few more examples to help you get comfortable with this word. The coach will assign positions to each player before the game begins. Can you assign someone to handle customer inquiries while I'm away? The principal will assign a substitute teacher to the class for the week. That wraps up today's discussion on the word assign. We've explored its meaning, some synonyms and antonyms, and how to use it in different contexts. Thanks for joining me on this journey to learn and grow your English vocabulary. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. It really helps others discover the show. And here's your challenge for today. Create your own sentence using assign and share it in the comments. I'd love to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep shining. See you soon.